Do you really know how much of your Volkswagen you're actually using? Because most owners don't. Not because the features aren't there, but because Volkswagen never explains them, never pushes them in your face. You're driving a car with built-in functions you may have never used even once. These aren't gimmicks or tricks. They're real systems designed to improve comfort, safety, control, and long-term reliability, quietly working in the background. Some are intentionally hidden, others are simply undocumented, meaning they exist, but no one tells you they're there. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about understanding what Volkswagen built into your car from the beginning. As you watch, think about your own model. Your Golf, your Passat, your Tiguan, your Polo. Chances are at least one of these features is already in your car, waiting to be used. We don't repeat marketing. We uncover how cars actually work. If that's your kind of content, subscribe. Now let's uncover what your Volkswagen has been quietly doing for you all along. Daily driving is where Volkswagen hides some of its smartest thinking, not in flashy technology, but in small systems that reduce stress and effort every time you drive. Take mirror tilt in reverse. On many models, the side mirrors automatically dip when you select reverse, giving you a clearer view of curbs and parking lines. What most owners don't realize is that you can set and store the exact mirror angle yourself, and the car will remember it every time. It's a simple feature, but it protects your wheels and makes tight parking easier. Then there's auto hold. Many drivers think it's just a convenience, but it's designed with precision. It doesn't just stop the car. It manages release pressure smoothly, preventing rollback without sudden movement. Hill assist works in a similar way. It holds the car just long enough for you to move naturally, then releases without delay. At low speeds, steering assist reduces effort, making city driving and parking feel lighter without losing control. None of this feels artificial because it's not meant to be noticed. These systems are designed to make driving easier without you thinking about them. Volkswagen doesn't design for perfect conditions. It designs for when things go wrong. A dead key fob battery is a common example. Most drivers panic when the car becomes unresponsive, but your Volkswagen can still start even if the key battery is completely dead. As long as you place the fob in the correct position, the system switches to close range detection and allows the immobilizer to recognize it. No towing, no emergency, just the system working as intended. This goes deeper than most people realize. The immobilizer isn't just theft protection, it's a layered system that constantly checks identity, authorization, and position. It decides what the car is allowed to do if one input fails. That's why something as simple as incorrect key placement can prevent the engine from starting. Volkswagen doesn't rely on a single signal. It builds redundancy. That can feel strict, but it's intentional. It's designed to prevent rare failures, and when something actually goes wrong, this preparation is what keeps you from being stranded. The climate system does more than control temperature. It's constantly reading the cabin, outside conditions, sunlight, and humidity. Automatic climate control doesn't just react, it anticipates. Internal sensors work together to decide airflow, direction, and intensity before you even feel discomfort. Recirculation isn't just on or off, it's actively managed. The system switches between fresh and recirculated air to reduce fogging, control odors, and maintain air quality, especially in traffic or polluted environments. What makes this system effective is how invisible it is. You're not meant to notice it working, only the result. No sudden fan noise, no temperature swings, no constant adjustments. It keeps the cabin stable and comfortable without effort. Volkswagen designed it to work quietly in the background. Modern safety systems are powerful, but they depend on visibility. Many drivers don't realize how easily they can be affected. Cameras behind the windshield need a clear view. A dash cam, sticker, or heavy tint can interfere with them. The radar sensor behind the front badge is just as important. Dirt, ice, or even aftermarket changes can reduce its effectiveness. When that happens, systems like adaptive cruise control or emergency braking may limit themselves or shut off. Volkswagen doesn't make this failure dramatic. It simply reduces functionality. This isn't a flaw, it's a safety decision. Understanding this turns you into a more aware driver. These systems depend on proper conditions, and maintaining those conditions keeps them working correctly. Parking technology shows Volkswagen's engineering approach clearly. The 360-degree camera system isn't about visuals, it's about awareness. It combines multiple cameras to create a real-time view of your surroundings. The system changes based on speed, steering angle, and position. As you turn the wheel, the guidelines predict where the car will go, not where it is. At very low speeds, some models switch to close-up views, focusing on wheels and nearby obstacles. This helps prevent small but costly damage. Park Assist follows the same logic. It's not designed to outperform a skilled driver. It's designed to repeat a correct maneuver consistently. It works best in predictable conditions and struggles with unclear lines or irregular spaces. It's meant to assist judgment, not replace it. Some of the most useful features are the ones most owners never discover. Volkswagen includes practical tools within the car itself. One example is wiper service mode. It allows the wipers to move into a position where they can be safely lifted without damaging anything. It's a small detail, but it reflects long-term thinking. Some models also include hidden menus within infotainment or climate systems. These can show sensor data, system checks, and operational status. They're not meant to replace professional diagnostics, but they can provide clarity when something feels off. These tools exist to support maintenance decisions, not to complicate them. Volkswagen's app is often misunderstood. It's not designed to be flashy. It's designed to reduce uncertainty. It tells you if the car is locked, where it is, and when service is due. Its purpose is simple: to give you information when you're not with the car. Remote locking, vehicle status, and reminders aren't meant to keep you constantly checking your phone. They're meant to remove doubt. Used properly, the app replaces those moments where you're unsure about the car. But too many notifications or constant checking can turn it into a distraction. The app works best when used occasionally, not constantly. Modern Volkswagens are efficient, but they are never completely off. Even when parked, systems remain active. That's why battery management is important. A dead battery doesn't usually mean something failed. It often means the system was gradually drained. Short trips, infrequent driving, and repeated use without proper recharge all contribute. Most battery issues come from usage patterns, not defects. Volkswagen accounts for this with battery-saving logic. When the car sits, it begins shutting down non-essential systems to preserve starting power. This isn't a flaw. It's a protective system. It prioritizes what matters most so the car can still start. Problems occur when usage habits conflict with this logic. Volkswagen designs cars for real-world conditions, not ideal ones. Understanding how the car behaves when it's not being used is just as important as understanding how it drives. None of these features are tricks. They're part of a design philosophy. Volkswagen builds systems that work quietly, waiting to be understood rather than advertised. The car works best when you understand how it operates. When you work with it instead of against it, everything becomes smoother and more predictable. By now, you've probably started to see your Volkswagen a little differently, not as a car full of features you need to learn one by one, but as a system that's already working with you, even when you don't realize it. Everything we've talked about, from mirror tilt and auto hold to climate intelligence and battery management, follows the same idea. Nothing is there to impress you for a moment. It's all designed to make ownership easier over time. What stands out isn't any single feature, it's how all of them quietly connect. The way parking systems predict your movement instead of reacting to it. The way safety systems protect themselves when visibility is compromised. The way the car continues managing its own battery and internal systems even when it's parked. These aren't isolated functions. They're part of a larger approach where the car is constantly balancing comfort, safety, and long-term reliability in the background. And that's why so many of these features go unnoticed. They don't interrupt you. They don't demand attention. In fact, when everything is working properly, you're not supposed to think about them at all. The steering feels lighter when it needs to. The cabin stays comfortable without constant adjustment. The car holds itself steady on a hill without making it obvious. It all happens quietly, which is exactly the point. At the same time, this also explains why misunderstandings happen. when a system limits itself because of dirt on a sensor, or when the battery weakens due to short trips, it can feel like something has failed. But most of the time, the car is simply reacting to conditions exactly the way it was designed to. It's protecting itself, adjusting its behavior, and trying to maintain balance rather than pushing beyond safe limits. So the difference really comes down to awareness. The more you understand how these systems behave, the more natural everything feels. Small things start to make sense. Why the car responds the way it does in certain situations. Why some features seem to disappear and then return later. Why consistency matters more than intensity when it comes to how you use the car. And once that understanding clicks, the experience changes. You're no longer guessing what the car is doing, or second guessing whether something is wrong. You start to recognize patterns. You start to trust the way the car operates. And that trust removes a lot of the friction that comes with modern vehicles. In the end, nothing here is hidden magic. It's just thoughtful engineering that doesn't need to announce itself. Volkswagen didn't build these systems to stand out. It built them to stay out of your way while still doing their job. And the more you pay attention to that, the more you realize that the car has been working with you from the very beginning, even in ways you never noticed before.